There are more bacteria cells in your body than even your own cells. With estimates of 100 trillion in your gut, each of these bacteria has a life of their own and needs specific nutrients and conditions to survive. The health of your gut could be influencing your mood and mental health more than you realize. There is a network of nerves connecting from your gut to your brain, linking emotional and cognitive centers of the brain with intestinal functions. One of these communicators is serotonin. Did you know that about 95% of the serotonin in your body is produced by gut bacteria? Serotonin can not just affect your mood, but it can influence sleep and even aggression. Our gut bacteria can also affect our dopamine levels too. And there is research directly relating bacteria in our gut to depression. Want to boost your immune system? The key might lie in your gut. An imbalance in gut bacteria can lead to autoimmune diseases, allergies, inflammation, and increase your chance of infections. The gut microbiome helps maintain the integrity of your gut barrier, which prevents harmful pathogens and toxins from entering the bloodstream. Mucosa-associated lymphoid tissue, MALT, is a collection of lymphocytes found in the mucosa of the digestive tract. Mucosa is a soft, moist layer of cells that line many parts of the body, including the mouth, gut, and airways. In the digestive tract, we have something called gut-associated lymphoid tissue, GALT. GALT is the largest immune organ in the body and is located throughout the gastrointestinal tract. This is where the pathogen or toxin can be recognized and where the immune system responses can begin. The interaction between the bacteria in your gut and these cells can help control immune responses and prevent excessive inflammation. How does bacteria in your gut affect your weight and metabolism? Bacteria in your gut help break down certain complex carbohydrates and dietary fibers that you can't break down on your own. They break down these fibers to produce short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, that influence energy balance and fat storage. Gut bacteria have the capability to produce vitamins and provide the enzymes necessary to absorb them. This includes vitamin B1, B9, B12, and K, which can have a huge effect on your health. Gut bacteria can also regulate hormones related to hunger and feeling full, such as ghrelin and leptin. But wait, there's more. Gut bacteria also helps to metabolize bile in your intestines. Your liver sends bile to your intestine to help you digest fats. When that's done, bacteria and their enzymes help to break it down so that the bile acids can be reabsorbed and recycled by your liver. Looking to improve your gut health? The right diet can make all the difference. Probiotic foods like kefir, yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi can introduce beneficial bacteria to the gut. Did you know that kefir can have up to hundreds of billions to trillions of colony-forming units, CFUs, per cup? One thing is to get the bacteria you need into your gut, but don't forget they need to eat too. This is where prebiotics come in. Foods like garlic, onions, bananas, and oats feed the beneficial, healthy bacteria. Eating foods high in fiber can feed the healthy bacteria in your gut, keeping you feeling great. It's important not just to consider how much of a certain food you're eating, but you also want to consider the variety of foods in your digestive tract. Diversification is important because a diverse microbiome includes a wide range of bacteria that can break down different types of food and fibers, enhancing digestion and nutrient absorption even further. On the contrary, A diet high in processed foods and added sugar can harm healthy gut bacteria by reducing the amount of beneficial bacteria and gut diversity. This imbalance can lead to increased cravings for sugar, which can further damage the gut.